Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you delete duplicate files from your computer. So for doing that, open any web browser and then search here win dir stat. So now go to this link, install or can say download this software on your computer. So as I have already installed this software on my computer, let me open you and show you how can you free up space on your computer. So this is giving an option to select any one drive, or you can choose all the drives. So let me just choose C drive and then tick mark this scan for duplicate files and then click on OK and just wait. So here you can see it is scanning the C drive on my computer. So this will take a few seconds or can say few minutes according to your computer's speed or can say storage speed. So just wait till this scanning gets completed. So as this is taking longer, let me show you how can you delete the duplicate files. So here is an option, duplicate files. Just click this. So here you can see all the duplicate files are showing here. So as the scanning gets completed, the all duplicate file will show here. So you can select them all and can delete them all. So this is how you can download WinDIR stat and delete duplicate files from your computer. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.